Welcome to our Dash Cam Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K and the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam. We'll dive into their features, including resolution, camera capabilities, and pricing, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K offers a resolution of 2K Quad HD, providing clear footage for everyday driving. In contrast, the ROVE R2-4K boasts an impressive 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording, ensuring superior detail and clarity, especially in critical situations. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the quality of the footage captured during your drives. The Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K features a single front camera, making it a straightforward option for basic recording needs. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K includes both front and rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. This dual-channel recording capability is crucial for capturing incidents from multiple angles, enhancing your safety on the road. When it comes to pricing, the Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K is an affordable option at just $59.98, making it accessible for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the ROVE R2-4K is priced at $199.99, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the initial investment is higher, the ROVE offers enhanced performance and functionality that may justify the cost for many users. In conclusion, both the Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K and the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam have their strengths and weaknesses. The Avilet is perfect for those seeking a budget-friendly option with essential features, while the ROVE is ideal for users who want the best in video quality and comprehensive coverage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.